Good evening, welcome to RC CRAY-Z. Today's episode, we're going to do a review. So stay tuned for this episode of RC CRAY-Z. Alright guys, so in today's episode we're going to be doing a review on this truck. This is the 18859E by Haiboxing. Haiboxing. It's 1/18th scale, 4-wheel drive truck. Right there's what it looks like. 14 years and up. And it is ready to run. So let's open it up and check it out. Alright guys, so here's what you get. You get your truck. One controller. Here's your bag of goodies. You got an extra battery. Here's the battery charger, which I don't need that because I have a hobby grade charger. Extra pins to keep your hood on. Now, there's something cool I'm going to point out in a minute about these pins. And you get your instruction manual, and that comes with a pretty much like a thank you card, and then stickers, guys. Check that out. Lots of decal stickers you can put on your RC truck. That's kind of cool. Here is your instruction manual. It comes in English and looks like French and Dutch. You know, it's got a few different languages in there. It's pretty self-explanatory when you check it out. It tells you how to do everything you need to know. And then there's your parts. You got exploded view for the parts. And here is your parts list, just in case you break something or lose something, you can order more. It's a catalog. Alright guys, so here is what the truck looks like. Here's your shocks. Pretty springy. Let's see, here is your motor. And take that sticker off. There's where your battery sets. The strap holds it in place. And here is your power button. Right there, off and on. Here's what the underneath looks like. Very springy. The material feels pretty decent. The only thing I was kind of concerned for is these feel a little thin. I don't know if that'll be bad down the road or not, but we'll have to test that out. Other than that, this thing is pretty solid. Here's your lights. You got some lights right there in the front. Pay attention to those. That'll let you know when the battery starts to die. Alright guys, so here is your controller. It's pretty basic. There's your on and off switch. There's your steering trim. There's your speed rates. You got normal and slow. There's your steering reverse, so if you want to steer to where you turn this right and the car turns left, or you turn left and the car turns right, that's what that does. And it takes 2 AA batteries. Alright guys, now here is something new that I thought was cool I should bring to attention. Now check that out. It's got this little tab on it for easy pulling in and out, and it was amazing. It took a split second to pull that bad boy out, take all 4 out, and take the hood off. Now, whether or not these will continue to work like this or not, only time will tell, but I think this is an amazing new concept. Instead of having to carry a pair of needle nose pliers with you all over the place. So that's really cool. Alright guys, so this is going to be a first look at this car by Haiboxing. Oh wow, this is in low gear. Not very impressive in low gear. But I've been fooled before. Wow. It goes like 5 miles an hour, maybe. This isn't grainy gear. This Speed it up. Okay, there we go. There we go. It's a little better. Oh. Nice. There we go. Ah. Alright guys, so this is a 2S LiPo. This runs off a 2S LiPo battery. It comes with two. And this thing is all over the place. And it says they have a 15-minute run time. See how it does in this stuff here. As you can see, it does really well over these rocks. Oh! Doing a lot of walk of shames today. Nice. Look at that. That's cool. Ah. Alright, see if we can get some speed runs here. He's doing some burnouts there on the pavement. See if we can get some ramp action here. Alright guys, so there you go, there you have it. My final thoughts on this. I'm not done with this yet. So far so good. I bashed the crap out of it, and we still have some more testing I want to do. I'm going to do some speed runs and maybe some drag racing, but we'll see. Anyways, if you liked what you've seen, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to share it. Come check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Links will be in the description below. If you need to get hold of us for any reason, we do have an email address, and that'll be in the description below. And don't forget, guys, just keep droning.